Hey, Scott here. So this is a house been working on the past couple years. We are back this year do some landscape lighting. Starting with the basics. Guys are pulling out the old line voltage lights, getting the transformer set up. The new landscaping is in. That's been in now a season, and we're kind of pecking away piece by piece at the different areas. Front walkway that was redone last year, maybe the year before even. Plantings been sitting here, got all our flags set up. Look through the back, some additional plantings back here, but their big wow factor is this backyard, which looks out at the Long Island Sound. So you take a look right back here is Long Island Sound. As you work your way through this backyard, it kind of peeks out back here. You have this gray space up here, inlet, because they're on a little island north of Glen Cove. So if you see back here, that's the Long Island Sound. Look across to Westchester. So this is the backyard. Really very pretty. Lots have been done over the past couple years here. They've got this great little garden with a whole lot of peonies and hydrangeas. Certain things that are in here, like the hostas. They used to have a big tree back over there that came down, I think it was last season. So now this is opened up. But a whole lot of azaleas that have been here for the shade. But tons of peonies. And then they have irises that are coming up and some cattails. So we're in some lights, gonna uplight these green giants and cryptos that are here, giving privacy from the neighbor. Because this is their little private sitting area. So this is the backyard. This is the space we've worked on a bit over the past couple years. If you take a look, you had all these little garden spaces behind me, wrapping around through here. Had some trees that finally got taken out, so it's opened up a bit more in here. So right now the guys are here, and they're gonna work on doing some landscape lighting to kind of give accents to these areas for them this year. And the hopes is we'll come back again and do some other to give focal points for some of the bigger elements here. Like behind me here, we've got these hemlocks, giant hemlocks that they could uplight. Haven't done anything with it yet. They want to start out on the smaller stuff.